I created this YouTube video using artificial intelligence, from idea generation to script, thumbnail, voiceover, and editing. In this video, I'll show you my complete AI workflow for YouTube content creation. This works even if you run a faceless channel. This workflow helps me stay consistent and save time. AI handles the thinking and planning. I only focus on assembling and improving the final video. Let me show you the exact steps. Every video starts with an idea. I use ChatGPT to generate content ideas based on my niche. This helps me avoid creative blocks and plan videos quickly. With AI, I never run out of ideas. Once the idea is ready, I use AI to write the script. ChatGPT and Claude help me structure the content clearly. This saves hours of manual writing. The script becomes the backbone of the entire video. A good thumbnail decides whether people click or not. I use Canva AI to generate thumbnail designs and layouts. Even without design skills, I can create professional thumbnails fast. For voiceovers, I use ElevenLabs. It creates natural-sounding narration without using my own voice.
In the world of robots, imagination builds dreams as vibrant as a rainbow.
This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels like this one.
Subscribe to Neural Toolkit for more videos on AI tools and smart workflows.
Now it's time to assemble the video. I use AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and screen recordings inside my video editor. Because everything is already prepared, editing becomes very fast. This is how I create videos efficiently without expensive tools. After assembling everything, the video is ready. AI helps me go from idea to finished video much faster. I created this YouTube video using artificial intelligence, from idea generation to script, thumbnail, voiceover, and editing. In this video, I'll show you my complete AI. This workflow allows me to focus on quality instead of struggling with tools. This workflow works because it removes friction. AI handles planning, writing, and narration. I only focus on assembling and refining. Anyone can use this system, even beginners. If you want to create YouTube videos faster using AI, try this workflow. Subscribe to Neural Toolkit for more videos on AI tools and smart workflows. I'll see you in the next video.